Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to clarify something about the Curriculum Planning Web assignment. This is an assignment that I want you to think of as a rough draft for your mini unit that you're going to create throughout this course. By the end of the course, you will have a 3-day mini unit where it's a sampling of what you'll be required to do in internship. So I'm trying to walk you through some of the requirements that will be graded and that you'll have to implement during your internship experience. If you look at this curriculum planning web assignment, what we're thinking of, and I know that you're not seeing a lot of curriculum integration in the public schools in some places now, but we still know that best practices is for students to be able to apply information in one content area to another content area. So what you're going to choose this semester to work on is either a project idea, a theme, a children's literature book, or some thematic idea that you're going to plan your unit around, okay? A lot of times this will be a science unit or a social studies unit. And what I've given to help you with this assignment is a couple of documents. This is an example. So what you're going to think of is, what is your theme or main idea that you're going to do? This could be weather. It could be something like Little House on the Prairie, and you could do a unit on different themes in that part of history. But you're going to think of some kind of theme or a piece of children's literature, and then you're going to go out from there and think of, well, what would be reading activities? And you can look at your reading standards and your frameworks and apply those. Writing, science, math, social studies, always getting in maybe some PE or art and other ideas. This is only an example. If you want to create your own curriculum web with maybe some different software or different app that you want to use, that's fine. But the main idea is this is going to be the development of your unit. So what you'll do from here is, once you plan this and I give you feedback, then you'll take your 2 math ideas and you'll start thinking, well, I've got to develop 3 lesson plans. So maybe I want to do a math and a science lesson plan with 2 of these frameworks together around a certain topic or theme. Your topic needs to be broad enough that you can incorporate some of these different content areas in it. And then I also gave you this example, which is from a previous student where she did a unit web and she took the solar system. And so basically you're just starting out with, what are some ideas that I can develop about the solar system, and then make it, the next step from here would be to decide what frameworks you're going to apply to these ideas. So right now, it's just like if you wrote a research paper where you write a rough draft and you brainstorm ideas and maybe do your outline. That's what I want you to think about this curriculum web. This is an outline that's going to help you as you create your unit. Then what you're going to see as we go on next unit with the universal design of learning, you're going to get more and more into the lesson planning, and then we'll go right into the unit plan and give you some information there. So again, I've tried to develop the course so that each step of the course is going to take you closer to that mini unit that's due at the end of the semester. So think of something that you're really interested in. You might want to Google some ideas for your grade level for either content-based units or theme-based units. In kindergarten, they base it a lot on different children's literature, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I've seen a whole unit created around that. So think about that. If you get into your unit and you decide that you did your unit web on one thing, but you really want to do your unit on something else, that's okay. Those of you that are teaching, I would think that you would do your unit on something that you're going to be teaching in the next month before the end of the school year. Okay, I hope this helps and clarifies information for you. If you have questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.